Hey guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying positive out there. It is never a dull and boring moment in crypto finance and the stock market. That is why I love doing daily market updates. Now today, ladies and gentlemen, we could potentially have Bitcoin ETFs approved. There's some really bullish updates coming out today. Anyway, we're going to get into it, ladies and gents. Quick video before I get onto the plane. Massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. If you are new, make sure you smash the subscribe button down there and turn on that little bell notification, because as you can see right here, I absolutely love documenting my journey with investing with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom, and of course my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along on this incredible journey. Things are about to get pretty crazy in this space. Also, if you can give this video a thumbs up, watch it straight through, it would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people, because the YouTube algorithm is absolute magic when you find, ladies and gentlemen, do that. So make sure you give it a good old thumbs up. Doesn't cost you anything. It's down there. Thank you very much. You guys rock. Also, a little disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence with this stuff. All right. Formalities are out of the way. Been keeping an eye on our Twitter all morning today. It's absolutely crazy. Quick look at the top altcoins in my portfolio. We had BTT, we've got Ravane, Luna Classic, we've got LCX and Casper making moves, which is really, really nice. Now, let's go to Crypto Bubbles quickly. And before I do, actual fact, let's go straight to CoinMarketCap, because there's bullish stuff happening right here. We've got a total crypto market cap of $1.68 trillion, literally recovering from that flash crash the other day. Unbelievable. And I'm sure a lot of you are sitting on gains at the moment, which is really nice as well. The Fear and Greed Index is sitting at 70. Bitcoin dominance is sitting at 51.4 and Ethereum sitting at 16.2. Top altcoins in my portfolio going to my watch list right now in the last 24 hours. We've got Ravane, BTT is just ridiculous. Luna Classic, LCX, Casper, Luna, Illuvium, which was a $1,000 asset in the previous bull market. We've got Nexra, VTHO, and Harmony One as well. I put up all of these coins, by the way, in the Patreon every single day. Bitcoin's still trading at 44,000 US dollars. Incredible how much it's gone up, you know, obviously based on this bullish news that's coming out today. Ethereum's at 2,267. BNB's 325. Ethereum, Solana, sorry guys, I still need more espresso. It's $103 at the moment. XRP's at 58 cents. Of course, we've got Cardano at 56 cents. Everything is still incredibly undervalued, but let's go to Crypto Bubbles, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, before I do, I have the Wall Street Bull University links below. Literally putting up a lot of stuff today. I've got everything in there from indicators, day trading bots, futures grid trading bots, all my 3 commas setups, ladies and gentlemen, and full 15-minute instructional videos, which you can follow. All the links to my trading bots, which are making profit, which is really nice as well. Also, all the news before I go live on the channel, which is very, very bullish. There is 1,600 posts, okay? So I post up in here a lot. So go join up. The link is below. I can speak to everybody in the chat feature, and you can DM me as well. Really ridiculous what's going on in the crypto market. And I like to keep my community updated ASAP. Anyway, quick look at 3 commas. Now, here we go right here. I have all my multi-bots set up, as I keep mentioning in my videos, every day, trading both long and short using an RSI indicator on a 3-minute time frame. These things have been making profits, as you can see on the screen. Some of these have made like 17,000, 19,000 USDT. This is all in USDT, by the way. There are incredible software bots you can use on 3 commas. Make sure you go download the app and use all of these incredible bots, because they're working for me very nicely. And as well, these long bots are in profit, which is really, really good as well. So links are below to this, ladies and gents. Quick look at OKX, what I'm sitting at $65 today. Really, really nice to see that. And again, still up on the 6 months, 11,761. Yesterday was a great day. It was very, very bullish and made some nice profits, about $400 or $500. So I think the membership for the Patreon pays for itself. Anyway, quickly having a look at the deals. Currently got 34 trades open at the moment, both long and short on 8x leverage. Again, I do not recommend trading with leverage because it's extremely risky. Be careful with that. Having a quick look at the position history, you can see the small profits being taken right here. It does add up. You have to add this up, guys. I mean, 34 bots running, 34 deals, you know, adds up. Now, 5 USDT here on the screen, we've got 3.4. Scrolling down right here, this one was a liquidation. It does happen, but you make that back. $3.40, $3.50. Literally going 24 hours a day. This one was a nice one at $7.57. Small profits, but it adds up. You have to keep that one in mind. Anyway, everything's in the Patreon, ladies and gents. Quick look at crypto bubbles today. It's a sea of green. Luna Classic up 19% as well. I do hold my Luna Classic. Again, I bought it when it collapsed anyway. Aptos is doing well at 15.8% at $10. I do trade that with the 3Commas bots. Literally trading all the perpetual contracts. Casper as well up 8.8%, which is really nice. 5 cents. Still insanely undervalued, up 90% this year. Let's see what else we've got here. And of course, Bitcoin, the OG, up 3% today. It's still up 162% this year at 44,129 at the moment. Very, very nice. So a lot of you dollar cost average into this when there was fear in the market, which is nice. So good to see that. Now, straight to the news, because this is crazy stuff. But the market makers like trading the DW have been preparing for months, obviously, to be able to provide necessary liquidity, ensure sufficient liquidity should the SEC approve the Bitcoin exchange traded funds. Now, could this happen today? Everything is pointing towards them being approved. And I'm going to show you that in a second as well. But a flood of investment money looks poised to pour into crypto market as the SEC is expected and approves Bitcoin ETFs. And there's like a dozen of them that could potentially be approved at once in the next few days. As virtually everyone, crypto savvy or not, gets easier access to the world of Bitcoin. And that is the truth. There is going to be trillions of dollars coming into this space. People need to realize that. Now, some interesting stuff here is the confirmation that a spot Bitcoin ETF has been officially approved. There's a lot going out today. And the Mooch would surely be referring to the ETF approval in his tweet right here. Scaramucci, the Mooch, it's done. Now, why would he be putting tweets out like that? Is that a cryptic message? But the Mooch, the background posted link above site sources extremely close to the matter. Don't get much closer than the Mooch right here. And the post also suggested sell the fact response from the crypto market. Be careful of this if you're plugging in right now as well. Moving on. Grayscale has literally listed this on their retail website. This is GBTC, their Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, at $35 a share, which is crazy. I'm going to be buying all of these, by the way, just to put that out there, as well as, staying with crypto. But this has literally come out today. Grayscale Bitcoin Trust is one of the first securities solely and passively invested in Bitcoin that enables investors to gain exposure to BTC in the form of security while avoiding the challenges of buying, storing, and safekeeping Bitcoin. Isn't that incredible? Also, we've got ARK A listing this on 21 Shares website as well. $42.52 a share. This is 21 Shares active Bitcoin future strategy ETF, but all of their Bitcoin ETFs are being listed on their website. Also, all of these investment firms have been submitting their Form 8A. Just to clarify what that is. So an SEC Form 8A is required by the Securities Exchange Commission for companies seeking to register securities, can be offered on an exchange. It is also known as a registration of certain classes of securities, and the short form registration statement, Form 8A, is one of the primary forms companies use to register securities for listing and quoting on exchange under the Securities Exchange Act 1934 for offering to the public. How crazy is this? These are all the ticker symbols. Just pointing that out, we've got Bitwise, VanEck, ARK 21 Shares, Franklin Templeton, all pending. We've got Wisdom Tree, Invesco, Pando Asset, Fidelity, Hashdex, Valkyrie, GlobalX, which I'm a big fan of. I've got many GlobalX ETFs in my portfolio, my stocks, and BlackRock is IBIT. So they're all pending. And there are currently futures ones trading at the moment. So when the spot ones come into play, things are going to get pretty wild. And Ripple and XRP is poised to hit its all-time high of $3.40 in 2024. I think we're going to surpass that for sure. Ripple's XRP token surged by almost 80% in 2023. Token's price began to rally after the district court ruled the selling of XRP to retail clients did not breach securities laws. Bullish. However, the price levels did not hold and began to plummet. The SEC Securities Exchange Commission lawsuit against Ripple has entered the High Court as investors are awaiting the ruling right now. Very, very bullish times. Nothing's going to happen with Ripple, guys. They're going to be let off. It's as simple as that. They're not securities, and the only thing that the courts are going to be discussing, obviously, are those institutional sales of XRP to, institutions, pretty much. Now, the net buy flow, let's have a look. Of course, money's going into Bitcoin. We have BNB, XRP, Aptos, Ethereum name service. AVAX right here. It's just changed. There we go. It changes all the time. New protocol. Lido down Ethereum. A lot of people are buying up Ethereum. Quick look at Twitter right now, or X, I should say. I'm still not used to it, by the way. Moving on, I'm at the Wall Street Bull Oz. Go follow me on X. Thank you to those 5,800 plus people. You guys rock. Jim Cramer, have a listen to this.
I mean, I sold my crypto. I announced everything on TV, what I did with crypto. But I would not touch crypto in a million years. Because I wouldn't trust the deposit bank.
And you're making no distinction between centralized, decentralized.
They fought regulation, they didn't want regulation, and you don't have regulation. So if you have your money in any of those, look, I'm not calling you an idiot. I'm just saying you're using a lot of blind faith.
There you go, Jim Cramer at his finest. Now, Marty Party, thank you for this tweet. Update on the SEC voting to approve A-1 registered securities for listing on registered exchange. The SEC commission of 5 commissioners requires a majority vote of at least three out of the 5. This means that at least 3 commissioners must vote in favour of the security for it to be approved for listing. Gary Gensler, chair, 1 vote. Term expires in 2026. Hester Pierce, Caroline Crenshaw. We've got Mark Udea and Jamie Lizaraga. Forgive me if I'm pronouncing her name right. Pierce, Crenshaw, Udea, pro-crypto regulations. Gensler, we all know, hates crypto, and that's true. The dark horse is Lizaraga. Lisa thinks the following. It appears that Jamie has a nuanced stance on crypto. He's not explicitly stated pro-crypto position. In his speech in Brooklyn Law School, he mentioned that most crypto tokens are like securities. Anyway, I'm not going to get into it, but if we get 3, it's a majority vote, which is bullish as well. All suggest a spot Bitcoin ETF may well launch in the United States this week, which is going to be crazy as well. And again, they're all filing for their Form 8-A, which I just read to you before, which is extremely bullish. So a lot of noise. James Seifert right here about tomorrow. Sticking to this. I'm not expecting official Bitcoin ETF approval orders tomorrow. Still expecting them on January 8th and 10th. The 8th is my lucky number, so number 8. And the Fear and Greed Index is sitting at 72 at the moment. Just in 1 million USDT has been minted out of thin air from the Tether Treasury, which is interesting as well. And of course, Bitcoin ETFs could spark huge Bitcoin trading. Trillions of dollars are going to flow into this space for sure. Anyway, I'm going to end up on this, Bulls, because I've got to get packing and ready. Thank you very much. I'll speak to everyone wherever I'm at. And make sure you join the Patreon. He's linked below. Follow me on socials. And I'll speak to everyone tomorrow. All right, stay safe. Have a good night, good afternoon, and good morning. Let's hope the SEC approves these Bitcoin ETFs. All right, stay bullish, peeps. Take care of yourselves. Bye.